What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into everything we know so far about the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung's upcoming foldable flagship set to launch this summer. Rumors are flying and this one's shaping up to be huge. The Z Fold 7 might take inspiration from Samsung's special edition foldable, offering a slimmer, sleeker design and slightly larger displays. Expect to see it run on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, though some rumors suggest there might be an Exynos 2500 variant too. Samsung is expected to unveil it during their Galaxy Unpacked event, likely happening in July or August. The best part? There are already some killer deals lined up, with trade-in credits up to $200, and discounts from major carriers like Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T. Now let's talk specs. You can expect storage options like 256GB, 512GB, and even 1TB, though it's worth noting that charging speeds might disappoint. Early leaks from China's 3C certification website show a max charging speed of 25W, a bit underwhelming for a flagship. On the durability front, Samsung's going all in. The Z Fold 7 will feature a redesigned hinge and Flex Glass, the latest tech in foldable screens. It's also expected to have a 200MP primary camera, the same sensor found in the S25 Ultra, which is a massive upgrade from previous generations. Battery life? The Z Fold 7 will likely stick with the 4400 mAh battery from the Fold 6. A bump to around 4800 mAh would be nice though, especially with these larger screens. And speaking of screens, we're looking at an 8.2-inch inner display and a 6.5-inch outer display, making the Z Fold 7 the largest book-style foldable on the market. Samsung's also slimming it down. When unfolded, the Z Fold 7 will be just 4.5mm thick. That's thinner than its predecessor. Expect a new S Pen too. It's rumored to be thicker with improved tips, making for a better writing experience. The crease? It's still there, but Samsung has made it less visible, which is a big deal for foldable fans. So, what do you think? Is the Galaxy Z Fold 7 going to be the foldable to beat? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for all the latest updates. Catch you in the next one. Peace!